My Spoken English 2.2 Unit 5.
Speak the English the world understands.
The hard sound of letter Q. In Unit 4, we learned that letter Q has a semi-soft sound and a hard sound. The semi-soft sound is qu, qu, qu. In this unit, we want to take a look at the hard sound of the letter Q. K, k, k. K is the hard sound of Q. We have very few English words with a hard Q sound. Listen carefully as I pronounce them. Iraq, Iraq, Iraq. Mosquito, mosquito, mosquito. Peak, peak, peak. Plaque, plaque, plaque. Liquor, liquor, liquor. The hard sound of Q is k, k.
Speak the English the world understands.